If I had to pick one tip to help you with human figure drawing, I would say remember this one rule, and that is that crotch is right in the middle of your body. When I stand up, as you can see, my crotch is right in the middle. Where students often make mistakes is they draw crotch somewhere around the belly button area, which makes the legs far too long. So remember, you need to check that the crotch is right here. Now let's have a look at this masterpiece. This is Michelangelo's David, and as you can see, the rule applies here too. His crotch is right in the middle of his body, and the paradox is that it also works when you're drawing a human figure sitting down, which is something you would not normally think of. But where this rule doesn't definitely apply is when you're drawing a human figure in motion or when you're drawing children. So remember that when you're drawing a human figure, to check that you have drawn the crotch in the middle of their body.